What if I just told you that few phrases a day would transform your mindset, boost your confidence and help you achieve your biggest goals? Stick around because in this video I am going to show you how you can make affirmations work for you in 2025. And spoiler alert, it's easier than you. So if you like these kinds of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And let's get started. So, what exactly are affirmations? Simply put, they are the positive statements that help you shift your mindset, rewire your subconscious, and align yourself to the energy that you want to attract. Now, let's be real. Affirmations have been there for a long time and you might have tried them, but it did not work for you. In this video, I will share with you actual actionable steps how you can use affirmations throughout your day and use apps and tools to supercharge your affirmations. So now for the basics, the first step. The first step is always to get rid of the generic basic affirmations that we see all around and to actually craft your own unique affirmations that are actually authentic to you. So it's nice to say like I'm healthy, I'm wealthy, I'm rich, but what is wealthy for you? So we want to be very specific, like how much money do you want? What kind of health goals do you want? I talked about this in this video of mine as well. So be clear. So you can say that I am earning this much amount of money every single month. Or you can say like I have lost this much amount of kgs or I have gained this much amount of kgs. Or if you want to go to a particular trip, you can say that I have already gone to the trip. Thank you so much universe for that amazing trip. Or you want to get your promotion. So you can say I am already promoted to this position. Thank you so much universe. Or for example, for confidence, you can say I am a confident person and people like listening to me. Create your own story. Create what you want to see and make that your own customized affirmations. Only then you will be able to actually relate to it and be actually interested to be consistent with it. So yeah, that's why the first step is to create your own affirmations. Now, the second point. Now we have created our own affirmations. Now the main goal is repetition. Repetition is the thing through which our neurons see our reality. So if you are repeating yourself anything, your brain is thinking that thing as a fact and going with it. So if you are saying that I am sad, or I am a failure, I am unlucky, your brain thinks of those things as true. So to rewire that, you have to repeat the good things. So if you repeat the good things, it will be able to rewire your brain. How to actually repeat affirmations throughout the day? Because you are a busy person, you have work or you have studies, right? So what I do personally is I have alarms in 2 or 3 hours gaps. So whenever the alarm goes off, I just say my affirmation. So if I am working towards a financial goal, every time that alarm goes off, because it takes just 1 or 2 seconds, right? You will just say that I am earning this much amount of money every single month. And then you can snooze it, you can switch it off, whatever is good for you. So this can be one of the things that will help you in repetition. So create your alarms. Now the second thing that I do is that I have apps called ThinkUp and IAM. I use them alternately depending on my mood actually. But these two are really good affirmations app. So you can actually have them on your home screen and your affirmation will keep popping up. So every time you are opening your phone, you will see that. So consciously or subconsciously, you will be reading this, right? So I would say you every time you see this, just read it out. And even if you are not, at least look at that so that your brain understands that it is your new norm. So here we are taking the advantage of technology because it's 2025. We are not going to just say I am healthy, I am wealthy every single day. We are actually going to set up our apps, our phones in a format that we don't forget to repeat our affirmations every single day. So these are the two ways that I always use to affirm throughout the day because there will be times when you are sad. So you are going to think about that. But when that alarm goes off, my mindset changes in a second because I think, oh, this is the time when I have to affirm. So once you say that good thing, you will see that your mood also gets better. Or even when I'm seeing my phone, I'm seeing that affirmation and it helps me get into a better mood. So yeah, this was the second step. Now the third step. Pair your affirmations with mindfulness practices. So it can be anything that you do throughout the day. So pair up affirmations with visualization, with meditation, with your walking, with drinking water. So if you pair up these things, then first of all, you can be very consistent without even trying, without even giving even one extra thought. For visualization, I always say visualization is the best. I also have a video on visualization, how so many celebrities have visualized and then achieved their goals. So when you are visualizing, when you are thinking about the life that you want and you pair up that with affirmations, you say your affirmations after you have visualized or maybe before you want to visualize. That is also a great practice if you want to do. Or even when you are in normal settings, like you want to drink water. Every time you are going to drink water, you are going to say your affirmation to the glass and then drink it. This is like a magic potion. When you will drink it, you are going to achieve all your goals. So every time you are drinking water or coffee or tea, you will be thinking about that. When you will do these things, you will see how much your mindset changes. You will become a new you completely because you are in a whole other level, so much away from the 3D reality or from the chaos of this world. That's why mix it with mindfulness. Or if you're walking, I sometimes walk and keep saying that I am healthy, I am wealthy. Even some people say that when they are running in the treadmill, they keep saying that I am strong, I am healthy, I am doing this much, I am achieving all my health goals. All these things. You can do it any way that you want, but if you combine your affirmations with mindfulness practices, you will see this will give you 100x better results. Now, the final step and the most important step is consistency. Because consistency is repetition. Repetition is what is going to change your life. Affirmations work fully on repetitions. If you are not repeating it, if you are saying this just once a week and thinking like why is not everything coming, it won't, because you did not give your brain the time to actually form the neuron, to actually rewire. Because you are saying the negative things all the time, 24/7. So every day you will have to say the affirmations at least 15 to 20 times before you can see actual results, right? That's why it's very important. Repetition is the key. Consistency is the key. So yeah, these were the steps how you can use affirmations in 2025 and actually make them work for you. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you for listening to me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. So thank you so much for listening, and don't forget to let me know which was your favorite one. So thank you so much. Bye bye.